Welcome back to Scrively. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to describe your story and customize your book details after selecting your story path. Start by entering a story description or choose from one of our recommended ideas. If you need more inspiration, click the refresh button to generate additional options. When you're ready, click Next. Next, choose your story voice and writing style. Select the style that matches the type of story you want to create, whether that's silly, adventurous, or something else. Remember, not every book needs to be a lesson. Sometimes the goal is simply to create a fun and memorable story. Click Next to continue. Now it's time to select your drawing style. Explore over 110 unique art styles to find the perfect look for your book. Next, choose the age range for your story. Select an age from 2 to 11 plus. Scrively will adjust the vocabulary and writing style to better match your selected audience. Now, let's customize your book. Start by entering your story description or select from one of the pre-filled options. Need additional ideas? Click on Refresh. Next, create a title for your book or choose from one of the recommended options. If you need more ideas, click the Refresh button. Now select your writing style. Choose your drawing style and hover over each option to preview a full screen version. When you're ready, select your drawing style and click Continue. Next, choose your target age. Select the approximate page count for your book. Your available page count options may vary depending on your plan level. When you're ready, click Continue to begin describing your story. Join us in the next tutorial where we'll learn more about creating your characters.